Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your Telegram account on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, it's important to know one thing. You cannot delete your Telegram account directly from the iPhone. Must use a web browser like Safari or Chrome. Now open Safari on your iPhone. In the address bar, type mytelegram.org and open the website. This is the official site of Telegram. Now you will see a box asking for your iPhone number. Now enter your number with the country code, then tap next. Telegram will send you a login code inside your Telegram app, not by SMS. Open your Telegram app, copy the code, and then go back to the browser and paste it. After logging in, you will see options, API development tools, delete account, and log out. Tap on delete account. You may see a box asking why you are leaving. This step is optional, you can skip it. Then tap the red button that says delete my account. Telegram will ask you again to confirm. Tap yes, delete my account, and that's it. Your Telegram account is now permanently deleted. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.